This is how to not install a toolbox on your truck. I don't know if the manufacturer specifies cutting the sidewall out to fit around the bolt. You know, maybe and not just cutting it, I think they beat it out with a chisel. That's nice work. Well, if anybody wants to install a toolbox like this on your truck, there's a picture on how to do it. Alright, the guy that did this has been catching a lot of heat about it. So I figured, you know, I'm going to help him out. I'm going to fix it. But I'm going to do it at his level. And skill level duct tape. Done. Problem solved. No more hole in the truck.